Good. Welcome to Caribbean Thought. You guys know we are in the US and we are experiencing extreme heat here. I don't know what it's like. What's going on in Jamaica? What's the weather like in Jamaica? What's the weather like in Jamaica, guys? What's the weather like in Jamaica? What is it like out there in Jamaica? It's hot. I know it's always hot, I presume, and it's the summer, but are you guys having probably hotter than usual weather there in Jamaica? Okay, okay, Monique says yes, a bit hot. Okay, yeah. I visited when I was in Jamaica, I think towards the end of May, the first week in June, it was very hot. Yeah, it was very hot. We are gonna wait oh, quite a few people are on. That's good. What's the can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Sir?
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? It's not okay, it's clear. Good. Today we have a guest, and just so you know, he's going to be on at 7:30.